I saw the coast of Florida, USA. I didn't even know that it was on the coastline until Pastor here told me afterwards. I was carried, and I perceived that I was hovering over the sea, like in a seagoing vessel approaching Florida. It was a city. I could see the skyline of skyscrapers, quite many of them. I didn't know the geography of the US, but I knew Florida. Then I saw the sky over it was vivid red and orange. Vivid red. Now I don't know if that is the symbolic of a certain danger that is coming over it, but that is what I saw, and we need to pray over it.
People in the city of Tampa on Florida's west coast are breathing a huge sigh of relief. It had been thought the region of 4 million was in Irma's direct path, but the hurricane that's confounded forecasters already veered east. The reported damage in Tampa so far minor. Orlando, sheltering many of the more than 5 million who evacuated from other parts of the state, was pummeled by wind and rain. But the real destruction is in South Florida. After leveling parts of the Caribbean, Irma made 2 Florida landfalls. First hitting the Key Islands with 200-kilometer-an-hour winds. With bridges still inaccessible, the number of people who defied evacuation orders and died is still unknown.
The sky over it was vivid red and orange. Vivid red.